Hey, I tell you what, if you want to keep the mice from chewing up your seats when you store the tractor in the winter, you want to put this Fresh Cab on the seats, under the hood, all around your wiring, because mice like to chew on the wiring because it feels good to their teeth and it keeps their teeth sharp. But anywhere that you think a mouse would set up homestead, you want to have one of these things, packs of Fresh Cab. So, I like to put them in the seat. I like to put them in the air conditioning. I like to put them up overhead right here in the consoles. Anywhere that you think a mouse would start a bedding area, that's where you want to put it. This stuff is absolutely incredible. We have cut down our mice problem big time by using Fresh Cab.